Good morning, 12th class. Today our topic is standard electrode potential, and that one is represented by E naught. Okay, now actually standard standard electrode potential, okay, that one is simple when the concentration of all the species involved in a half cell half cell in either it's a oxidation half, either it's a reduction half is unity, then the electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. This one is a simple definition कि then the concentration of all the species involved in half cell, if their concentration is equal to 1 then the electrode potential is known as a standard electrode potential. But the condition is, what's the need of this electrode potential? Okay, I think you know that one is the absolute value of the electrode potential, either it's a oxidation half or reduction half, cannot be determined experimentally because neither the oxidation nor the reduction reaction can occur by itself. अपने आप से कुछ नहीं हो सकती. If you want to perform that oxidation half, so obviously another one is required, that is according to electrochemical cell. Okay, so that one will not done by their own. Okay, now this one is, this difficulty can be solved by selecting one of the electrode as a reference electrode and whose value is taken arbitrarily as 0. Imaginary हमने क्या कर ली, उसकी value 0 ले ली. Now for this purpose, that one is for this standard electrode potential, for this purpose generally we use, okay, that one is She, okay, that is standard hydrogen electrode, or either you can say normal hydrogen electrode. So in short you can She or need, that one is a standard electrode and their value is arbitrarily taken as 0. Okay, now actually it is a reversible electrode. Reversible means it acts as both, okay, cathode as well as anode. It depends upon the another electrode. If that one is act as a anode, okay, so hydrogen electrode act as a cathode, or vice versa, it's a reverse one. Now okay, in this one just see, this is the construction of simple She, that is a standard hydrogen electrode. Now just check, this one is simple, it's a container. Okay, एक tumbler ले लिया, container ले लिया. Now just see, in this one, okay, this is a glass jacket, it's a made up of glass jacket. Okay, now in this one path is there, ठीक है, एक रास्ता दे दिया इन्होंने, सिंपल फॉर द एंटरिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस. यहाँ से क्या एंटर कर रहा है, दैट वन इज हाइड्रोजन गैस. नाउ आफ्टर दैट, okay, now what's the use of this? First of all, now check, this one is a platinum wire. Okay, in some books it's copper wire is also there. Okay, no issue, because this one is only for connecting this with circuit. Okay, now just see, so this one is a wire. ओके, सिंपल कि आपकी क्या हो सके, एक रिएक्शन हो सके, तो दिस वन इज प्लैटिनम वायर एंड हेयर दिस वन इज अ platinum foil coated with finely divided platinum. Okay, so this one is simple, it's a platinum, you can, this one is platinum foil. Okay, and what's the use of this platinum foil? Actually now just see इसका function कैसे होगा. Now that one is gases, hydrogen gases entering from this, okay, this path, okay, like this, just see, and this is either they absorb hydrogen or either they adsorb hydrogen gas. Absorb means you know that one is a bulk phenomenon, तो particle उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, absorb कर ले, just like a sponge, if you dip sponge in a water, तो it will absorb water अंदर अंदर तक, तो that one is a bulk phenomenon. And adsorption, it's a surface phenomenon कि जो भी particles होते हैं वो किस में retain हो जाते हैं, खाली that one is on surface. That will study in detail in surface chemistry. Okay, now just see, when hydrogen gas is entered at 1 bar or almost it's around 1 atm, तो it's atmospheric pressure. Now just see, अब यहाँ से pressure लग रहा है, गैस नीचे गई, तो some of the hydrogen, okay, gas whatever is there, that one is again adsorbed or absorbed by this platinum foil, and remaining hydrogen whatever is not absorbed by this platinum foil, it bubbles out like this, see. Okay, these are bubbles. Okay, so it's a bubbles of escaping hydrogen, bubbles of escaping hydrogen. Okay, now this one, so this is, now in this case it's a solution of 1 mHCl. Okay, it's a HCl solution. Okay, and what about the क्या कहते हैं basicity of this? It's again H positive because HCl have tendency to give only H positive ion. So this one is 1. Okay, so this one is your simple construction of hydrogen. Now in this it acts as both cathode as well as anode. How? Now just see, if she acts as anode. Okay, now just see in this one, actually this electrode in this, okay, generally that is gas ion equation also done. Yeah, you can say it's a gas ion equation occur in this case, because that gas, just see, gas are converted into ions also. That one is H positive ion. Okay, now just see, okay, this one is, if she act as anode, hydrogen. Okay, previously this one is a hydrogen gas, this one is gas. Now in anode there is a loss of electron, because you know in case of anode loss of electron occur. The simple process. Now this one is H positive, balance it, it's a 2H positive and loss of 2 electron. Cathode, it's a gain of electron. This H positive ion, after gaining electron it become H2. Now balance it, so it's a 2H positive plus 2 electron gives hydrogen. Okay, now check, this reaction is a reversible reaction. Okay, so that is the reason that this one, she is also regarded as, okay, reversible electrode. So it's a hydrogen. Okay, reverse, this one is a sign of equilibrium or reversible. This one is 2H positive plus 2 electron. Okay, so this one is simple construction of C. So this one is a standard electrode. This is used as, again, okay, that one is a standard electrode. Okay, either it's a cathode, either it's a anode, it depends कि किस चीज़ के साथ ये यूज़ हो रहा है. तो now just see, this one is the electrode at which reduction occur with respect to she, okay, has positive reduction potential. Okay, while the electrode at which oxidation occur with respect to she has negative reduction potential. As I told you that now in present convention, okay, now whatever is the value, we will write that value in the terms of reduction potential instead of oxidation. Okay, what जिसकी जितनी कम value होगी, they have tendency to lose electron, and those who have higher value, they have tendency to gain. That one is a very important point that I'll explain in electrochemical series also. Okay, now next, okay, we have done one formula. That one is E, if you remember, that one is E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. That one we have done, right minus left. But now we are doing standard electrode potential. Okay, so in case of a standard, simple thing, it's a E naught cell, that is equal to E naught cathode or E naught anode. Okay, so this one is regarding to she. Now one numerical, now just see, in on this basis, simple numerical. Now calculate the standard reduction electrode potential of Ni2 positive oblique Ni electrode when the cell potential of the cell, this one is a cell representation as we have learned in earlier video. Okay, that one is Ni oblique Ni2 positive, Cu2 positive oblique Cu. Just see, this one is a simple reaction, oxidation and reduction. Then is 0.59 volt, and E naught Cu2 positive plus Cu, that is given, that is 0.34 volt. Okay, now check, this one is the equation. Okay, your formula is E naught cell minus E naught cathode minus E naught anode, or either you can write right minus left, both are right. Now E naught cell is given 0.59. okay, now cathode, identify which one is cathode. Right hand side is cathode. Okay, so this one is Cu2 positive oblique Cu, this one is cathode, their value is 0.34 volt. This you have to calculate. After solving this, okay, your answer is minus 0.25 volt. Now check, you can identify also, okay, कि your answer is right or wrong. Now this value is 0.34, this one is more as comparison to this, and you know in which oxidation occur means those who have lower value, they have tendency to lose electron more as comparison to, okay, another one. So this one is oxidation and another one it's reduction occur. Okay, so this one is your answer. Okay, thank you.